So yesterday's video got 1 view, and I'm pretty sure it was me just clicking the link to check it out. So I figured we'd come and talk about it outside because it's gorgeous out, except the bugs, and maybe you get a sense of, here in Maine, why I called my media company Knotty Media. I want to let that sit in for a second and not rush past that. This is day 2, or that was day 2 of my plan on making 100 videos and then seeing what goes good. And I dove in and I started looking at views, and I'm like, oh, 1 view. But let's not dwell on that. The plan isn't to chase views right now. The plan is to make 1 video every day, make 100 videos, and do something a little bit better. To me, it's not failure. That's just day 2. So let's keep on keeping on. Let's get past that. And today's day 3. So let's make a day 3 video. So quick reminder of the plan. We're building this channel together out in the public so you guys can see what we do. Our failures, our highs, and we'll share with you what we do, what we get right, what we get wrong. We're going to do 100 videos. We're going to do one thing better every day to try to make it a little bit better. It's not volume over perfect, but what it is it's trying to do something a little bit better each time and get the volume out there. Because the reality is the algorithm doesn't know who we are yet. It doesn't know who to show our videos to. So we've got to give it some volume so that it can see our data, so it can learn who to show our videos to. So what are we trying to optimize for right now? Right now, we're trying to optimize some of our reps, getting in the pattern of doing this every day. Record a video, make a little better, give you guys tools. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to build systems. We're not trying to build virality here. If we do a video and it does happen to go viral or something, we'll share the details about that video, but we're not chasing that. We're not trying to give you kind of like clickbait titles, clickbait hooks, or anything like that. We're just trying to grow this together and be transparent about it. Trying to get lighting right. So I am, probably saw that, I am using my phone. I've got some bullet points on it and my microphone on it. So just trying to be outside here and remain slightly reasonable. So right now, for us, consistency is the metric that matters, not views, not clicks, not CTR. So right now, I'm not chasing views. Chasing 100 videos. And we're also taking these videos, and these videos have segments that are shorts worthy. We'll break these long form videos into shorts content, and then we'll use that link to this video on those shorts that we pull out of here. And I'll probably use that as a clip. Why does this matter for viewers, not just you? Anyone out there that's starting a channel, that's starting a project, a business, someone who's comparing themselves to established creators, it takes time. It takes a long time to get a foothold here. You can't let views be the piece that defines you in these first couple days. Views and followers are a lagging indicator. They show up after consistency, after you build that consistency, after you show the algorithm what you're about so it can show you to the right people. So it's absolutely okay to start ugly, to start small, and to start unwatched. I was my only viewer yesterday. That hurts a little, but that's okay. So here's what's coming. A little brief teaser for you. We've got planned very soon a content planning guide that we'll share with you, and a content planning spreadsheet that we'll share with you, and you'll be able to find it and download it. We're building our website, knottypinemedia.com. That is absolutely a work in progress because with all my tech savvy, I am not a web builder. And we're going to do it together. And we're going to build together and grow together. Once again, I'm Jason. This is Knotty Pine Media. Do me a favor. Please click that subscribe button. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you'd like to see us do. We'll follow through with that. We'll absolutely do it. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.